The microwave oven has become one of the most essential and convenient kitchen appliances relied on by home cooks today. Modern microwaves are now capable of more than ever, featuring settings for convection cooking, grilling, steaming, and more. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best microwaves in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome! You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Toshiba EM131A5 Seek SS 1.2 cubic feet microwave oven. This countertop microwave from Toshiba is our best overall pick because it's one of the most powerful on our list. With 1,100 watts of power, this stainless steel model has 10 different settings that heat your food as efficiently as possible. It's a great choice for people who want to cook or reheat quickly and evenly. It has dedicated settings for rice, frozen entrees, potatoes, fresh/frozen veggies, and even frozen pizza. This microwave also boasts 2 additional functions that separate it from the pack: a built-in humidity sensor and eco mode. The sensor detects the humidity level of the food while cooking and automatically adjusts the time and temperature, so that your food comes out fully cooked every time. Number 2. Galanz GLCMKA07BKR07 Microwave Oven. If you're shopping on a budget, then we recommend Galanz Microwave. Despite being the most affordable on our list, this microwave has several notable functions, including adjustable power levels, an eco mode, a one-touch menu for various types of foods, and more. Beyond its functionality, another compelling feature of this microwave is its retro design, which is sure to add some character to your kitchen. It comes in a total of 4 colors: black, blue, green, and red. It also has an interior light for checking the status of your food without having to open the doors and a child lock. Number 3. Cuisinart CMW 110 Microwave. If you're looking for a high-tech microwave, then it's worth spending a bit more on this one from Cuisinart. Its star feature is its sensor cook feature, which monitors food as it cooks and automatically adjusts the time and power level to ensure it's heated to perfection. Another standout feature of this microwave is its inverter technology, which maintains a steady power level that keeps it quiet while running and ensures food cooks evenly and quickly. It also requires less energy consumption. We also like that this 1000-watt microwave has 11 power levels to choose from, so you can adjust the settings depending on what you're heating. Number 4. Black Plus Decker EM720 CB70.7 CU. Foot Digital Microwave Oven. Since these types of microwaves take up valuable countertop space, people who live in small homes, such as apartments or dorm rooms, should consider the Black Plus Decker Digital Microwave Oven with turntable. It comes in 2 compact sizes, 0.7 cubic feet and 0.9 cubic feet, both of which have 10 power settings and 6 pre-programmed options for heating specific foods. This pick boasts all of the necessities that make a microwave easy to use, including a large LED digital display with a clock, a child safety lock, interior light, and a removable 10-inch glass turntable for easy cleaning. However, keep in mind that it opens with the push of a button rather than a handle you can pull. Number 5. GE 3-in-1 countertop microwave oven. If you're searching for an option that does it all, look no further than this 3-in-1 countertop microwave from GE. This is a convection microwave, which means it has two different modes for cooking food. It has a rack that allows air to circulate your food for even heat distribution and golden brown results. So if you're frequently reheating foods that you want to be perfectly crispy and browned on the outside, rather than just heated from the inside, think chicken nuggets, French fries, and pizza, then this microwave might be your perfect match. That was our list of the top 5 best microwaves in 2023 just for you.